Hello guys. So I've been using a Fidelity Brokerage account for a while now, and honestly, it's been one of the smoothest experiences I've had with any investment platform. From day one, everything felt well thought out and reliable, which is something I really value when managing money alongside running a business. The first thing that struck me was how beginner-friendly it is, without feeling too basic right from the start. The interface explains things clearly, but it never feels dumbed down. Opening an account was super easy with no minimum requirement, and there are no monthly service fees, which is great if you're just getting started or if you want to invest gradually without pressure, especially when cash flow can vary month to month. I immediately appreciated the mobile app, which works flawlessly on both iPhone and Android. It's perfect for checking in on your investments between work sessions or while you're on the go. And yes, they even have an Apple Watch app that lets you quickly check stock alerts or portfolio changes, which is surprisingly useful when you want quick updates without pulling out your phone. What really stands out for me is the Active Trader Pro desktop platform. I spend a lot of time analyzing charts and looking for trade opportunities, and ATP makes that a lot easier with professional-grade tools. Tools like Trade Armor, which visualizes stop loss and limit orders, have helped me manage risk more effectively, especially when planning trades ahead of time rather than reacting emotionally. I also like that I can customize layouts and work directly from advanced charts with over 120 technical studies, which makes trading more intuitive. You can tailor the workspace to match your strategy, whether you're more technical or long-term focused. The Options Play integration has been surprisingly useful too, especially for understanding strategies like covered calls and risk management, though it does require a subscription, so it's best suited for those who actively use options. On the research side, Fidelity is top-notch. The equity summary score makes stock research much simpler because it weighs analyst opinions into a single, easy-to-understand view. This is great when you're short on time and need a quick snapshot. I also love having access to third-party research from sources like Zacks and Morningstar, which adds another layer of confidence before making decisions. Fund and fixed income research is equally strong. Tools like the yield curve comparison and CD ladder help me make better decisions on bonds and mutual funds, especially when thinking about stability and long-term planning. Their macro research and economic calendar are the real gems. I rely on the calendar to track market-moving events and get context on why certain economic data matters, which helps me position my portfolio more strategically instead of guessing. I also enjoy Fidelity's educational resources. The Learning Center is packed with videos, webinars, articles, and podcasts that cover everything from basic investing to advanced strategies. I found their webinars especially helpful because of the live Q&A sessions, where real questions get real answers. They really make the learning experience interactive and practical. Even the Fidelity Youth app is cool for anyone just starting out or helping teens build smart money habits early on. Customer service has been excellent in my experience too. Every time I've called, the average connection time was under a minute, and the reps are knowledgeable and professional, which makes a big difference when you need quick support. I also use their cash management account and Fidelity Rewards Visa signature card, which integrate nicely with my brokerage account. This setup is especially useful for keeping finances streamlined, offering features like global ATM fee reimbursement and 2% cashback that goes straight into my investments, so everyday spending can quietly contribute to long-term growth. Overall, my experience with a Fidelity Brokerage account has been very positive. Whether you're a beginner wanting educational guidance or an active trader looking for advanced tools, Fidelity offers a comprehensive platform with research, education, and trading capabilities all in one place. It feels secure, reliable, and flexible, and I can genuinely say it has improved the way I manage and grow my investments.